Hi, welcome to another SMC's how-to video. Today we are going to show you how to mount an individual supply spacer to feed a different pressure to a specific new SY valve. Let's start. First, fully loosen the two screws securing the valve to the manifold base. Here, we see size 5000, but for larger size 7000 there happen to be 3 mounting screws. Once you lift it off, lightly push the supply spacer onto the base, ensuring that the solenoid plug locates correctly. Then, place again the removed valve onto the supply spacer base. To finish, using the mounting screws provided with the supply spacer, secure the valve and supply spacer to the manifold base. So, you've seen how easy it is to modify our SY valve manifold. Take a look at our other SMC's how-to videos to see all the possibilities our products bring to you.